Before you buy any magnetic bit holder, there's one thing no product page tells you, but every frustrated buyer complains about. It's not the magnet's strength or the price. It's whether the bit actually stays put when you're upside down in a tight space or using an impact driver. Let's fix that. Product number 1, FACINCXS 12 PCS keychain bit holders. This FACINCXS set caught my eye because it's not just a bit holder. It's a full 12-piece kit with colorful keychain-style extensions. At $17.93, it's positioned as a giftable multi-use organizer for DIYers and pros alike. If you want a fun, portable way to keep bits handy and never lose them again, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Each holder uses a ball lock buckle that securely carries up to 3.3 pounds, so your bits won't fall, even during high-altitude work or overhead drilling. The cupped hex shank design gives you better grip and control when swapping bits, and the aluminum alloy build resists rust and corrosion. With universal 1/4-inch compatibility, these work with almost any drill, impact driver, or handheld screwdriver. Now some people might complain that these aren't traditional magnetic holders. They rely more on mechanical locking than magnetism. Here's the thing though. That's actually a strength if you're using impact drivers, where strong vibrations can weaken magnetic hold over time. The trade-off is slightly less convenience for swapping screws mid-task, but way better retention under stress. This is perfect for you if you're a contractor, carpenter, or DIYer who works in tight spaces or at heights and needs reliable bit storage you can clip anywhere. Skip this one if you need quick one-handed screw pickup. This isn't designed for that. For the price and quantity, it's solid value. Product number 2, CHG Impost Telescopic Magnetic Guide. Alright, that was a solid storage-focused option. But if FACINCXS's lack of strong magnetism bothered you, this CHG Impost Telescopic set takes a completely different approach, precision, and reach. At $11.52 for 3 adjustable lengths, it's built for control, not just convenience. The dual-locking magnetic system holds both the bit and the screw head firmly, no wobble, no slipping. And the outer rubber sleeve stays still while the inner shaft spins, so you get one-handed control and finger protection. Made from galvanized alloy steel, it's tough enough for mechanics and electricians. Now some people complained about the weight. 2 ounces per piece adds up if you're carrying all 3. Here's the thing though, that weight comes from the hardened steel construction, which is what gives it durability and vibration resistance. If you're doing automotive or furniture assembly, that sturdiness is a feature, not a flaw. This is perfect for you if you work in tight, awkward spaces and need guided, straight screw driving without stripping. Skip this one if you just need basic bit storage or are on a super tight budget. There are cheaper options. But for precision, it's unmatched at this price. Product number 3, Halberd Belt Clip Bit Holder. Now, if CHG Impost's focus on extension rods felt overkill for everyday use, this Halberd bit holder brings it back to simplicity with a smart twist. At $19.16 for a 2-pack, it's pricier, but it mounts directly to your drill like a belt clip, keeping 6 bits within reach at all times. The exposed side magnet lets you stash loose screws so you're not juggling them or holding them in your mouth. And the anti-rotation mount locks it securely to Milwaukee, DeWalt, or Makita drills using the existing belt clip screw hole. No wobble, no loosening. It's like having a mini tool belt on your drill. Now, some people said the plastic housing feels flimsy compared to metal. Here's the thing though, the plastic is lightweight and won't scratch your tool, and the real strength is in the mounting system and magnet, not the casing. As long as you don't drop it from a ladder, it holds up fine. This is perfect for you if you're on a job site all day and need fast access to multiple bits without digging through a pouch. Skip this one if you use multiple drills frequently, you'd need one per tool. But for consistent drill users, it's a game changer. Product number 4, POBAN Magnetic Screw Rings. Alright, that was great for drill mounting. But what if you don't want to modify your tool or carry extra gear? This POBAN 6-pack of magnetic screw rings offers a minimalist solution at just $7.68, making it the most affordable on this list. Here's why this matters for you specifically. These slip right onto any 1/4 hex bit and instantly magnetize it, so you can pick up and hold screws at any angle, even in tight corners or overhead. No tools needed to install or remove them, and they work with Torx, Phillips, or slotted bits. Perfect for quick furniture assembly or electronics repair where precision matters more than power. Now some people reported that the magnet isn't strong enough for heavy screws or impact use. Here's the thing though, these aren't meant for high torque applications. They're for light-duty controlled driving, where a little magnetism goes a long way. If you're not using an impact driver, they're plenty strong. This is perfect for you if you're a hobbyist, homeowner, or tech worker who needs occasional screw control without buying a whole new tool. Skip this one if you're driving long deck screws or working with power tools daily. For the price, it's a no-brainer add-on. Product number 5, TEKPREM 5-pack with case. Now if POBAN's rings felt too minimal, this TEKPREM 5-pack brings back full bit holders, but with a focus on portability and strong magnetism. At $10.24, it's a mid-range option that includes a handy plastic case, so you can toss it in your glove box or toolbox without losing pieces. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Each 16mm holder has a strong magnetic tip that holds both the bit and screws securely, no more dropped fasteners. The 1/4 hex shank fits all standard bits, and the compact length makes it easy to maneuver in tight spaces. The included case keeps everything organized, which is huge if you're moving between jobs or storing tools in a crowded drawer. Now, some people said the plastic body feels less durable than metal. Here's the thing though, for non-impact use, plastic is lighter and cheaper, and the magnet strength is what really matters here. It's solid. Just avoid using these with high-torque impact drivers. This is perfect for you if you want reliable, portable bit holders without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you need heavy-duty impact resistance or belt mount functionality. But for everyday repairs, it's a smart, practical pick. So which one's best? If you need storage and portability, go FACINCXS. For precision in tight spaces, CHG Impasse wins. Halberd is ideal for drill-mounted convenience. POBAN's rings are perfect for light, quick fixes. And TEKPREM offers the best balance of price, portability, and magnet strength. No single holder does it all, but one of these will solve your exact problem.